As part of preventive measures in connections with the War on Drugs 2.0, a team of Special Commando Unit Khabai Soy arrested one person along with contraband drugs from Kanchipur near MU Gate in Imphal West District yesterday around 9:15 p.m. The arrested person has been identified as M.D. Abdur Rahman, 37 years, son of late Manowar Ali of Kwakta, Ward Number 3, Bishnupur District. The Special Commando team recovered 2 kg of opium, kani, worth around 1.5 crore rupees in the international market, 1 mobile phone Redmi and 1 Verna car bearing registration number MN05A5646 white in color from his possession. The arrested person along with seized articles have been handed over to Singjomai police stations for further legal actions. The Special Commando Unit Khabai Soy team was led by OC Special Commando Unit Khabai Soy Subedar L. Vivekananda Singh, assisted by Havaldar L. Kuber Singh and Head Constable C.H. Mani Singh under the overall guidance of SP Railway and in charge Special Commando Unit Khabai Soy T.H. Krishnatombi Singh.